Hi, this is the crypto from Goshen Arbitrage and crypto trading platform. So this is Moogold. You already know Moogold. Most of you have watched my other videos on how to buy Moogold gift card. So I want to show us how to buy Binance gift card and also redeem it on Binance. So you see, as you can see, Binance. This is Binance gift card, but you can see from here. Let's go to this place. No, let's go to home so that start home. I need to be fast with this video so that they will not finish buying the Binance gift card. So this is home. So let's go to my wallet. This is my wallet. This is my wallet. Let's go to my wallet. So you can see I have 80 USD. You can see I've redeemed 5, 10. I've redeemed different Moogold gift card. I've redeemed the gift card. So now I want to show us how to use this particular money in my wallet, this $80 in my wallet, to buy Moogold gift card, buy Binance gift card. So you can just come to this place and type Binance, then you search. So this is Binance gift card. You take note of charges. So I have $80. So if you add 50 to cards, now they will charge you $2. So take note, I have 80, so add to cards. So they are saying that you cannot add another product while your card contains with rechargeable product. Okay, let me go back to this card. Let me pause it and clear it first. So you can see now I don't have anything in my cart. This my cart is 0 here. You can see. So I add 50. Remember I have 80. I have 50. So I add to cart. No, add to cart. So I have 50 already, 52. So there's a view cart. That's not all. I'll add 25. So they're charging me 26. You can see that's 3.26. So that's 3 Naira now. $3. So I'll add this to cart. So I have total of 52. That's 78 already. Then okay, 78 means I can still add 1. So 1.3, it will be 79.3. So I can still add this to cart. So let's go to my card. You can see I have 3 items on my cart. So let me go to my cart and see. Let me pause this video. So you go to view cart. You can see view cart. So I have this, I have this. So they're supposed to tell me the total 79.3 and I have 80. So I can go to proceed to checkout. You can see proceed to checkout. Okay, this is my details. You can see it's loading. So this is my total 52, 26, 1.379. So what do I want to use to buy Moogold wallet? Their balance is in my Moogold wallet. So I will click this. I agree. So we'll place order. Let me pause it. So guys, you can see they say order received. Thank you for order has been received. So this is the Binance gift card. They have told me this is my order number. Can you see the? So if I click here, retrieve code, I will get the code for my Binance code. So that code I will take it to what they call it, to Binance and redeem. So I will do that now. So after clicking on retrieve code, you can see here new. This is my Binance gift card code. You can see new here. So this is my Binance gift card code. So if you click this place, you see the key. So this is private. I will not show you, but I will later show you after I've redeemed it. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to our channel, hit the bell button, and like the video and share the video if you gain value from this. Kindly subscribe and let us know in the comment box if what to do for you. Now there's a link in the description to my WhatsApp group. You can join my WhatsApp group for update like this and for videos like this. So hit the bell notification if you want to get updates as soon as I post it on YouTube. So let's continue. So now we will need to check this, but I need to pause it. So now I'm logging into my Binance. This is a live video redemption. The process is live. So I'm logging into my Binance. I will take us to how we can redeem it. So I'll be redeeming 50 USD now. Okay, so I'll be going to this is my Binance. You can see this is my Binance. So you come to this icon here, you come there, you click it, then you see gift card. This is gift card, this is gift card. You come to gift card, and now this is live. So if you do it this way, you get it. Now it's loading, it's slow. Let me pause. Okay, it has opened. You can see this is the gift card store. So you go to gift card store, or you can cancel. So you come to this place, you see redeem here, redeem this place. So you come to redeem. It's loading. So you can see this first one here, redeem Binance gift card or code. Redeem and convert to fiat. So I like using this first one. So you click this. So this is the pin. I'll show you the pin after what they call it. The pin you copy from Moogold after I redeem it. So I'll put the pin here, then I'll click on redeem. So let's wait. I want to redeem 50 now. Let me pause it. Okay, after putting the code, the pin, and I click redeem, see they wrote here 50 USDT gift card. This is the number, will be credited to your chosen wallet. My redeem wallet is what? My spot wallet. You understand? So I'm going to click on redeem here and to go to my spot wallet. So let me click on redeem. Now you can see this card has been redeemed. Now refer another friend, send a crypto gift. So now if I go to my spot wallet, I'll see it. In my spot wallet I have around 20 something. I'm telling you now. So let's go to my spot wallet. Let me pause it. So now I'm in my spot wallet. You can see spot. So you can see 50 USDT has been successfully redeemed. You can see it here, 50 USDT. So this is how to redeem your Moogold gift card. So I'll redeem the remaining 25 and 1. So you will see how I'll do it now. Let me pause the video, redeem, then I'll show you after redeeming my cards. Okay, so now I've redeemed 50 and I've redeemed 25 remaining 1. So I will show you this one now. So this is my this is it. This is when you click the open that eyes, you see this. You can see this is 25, this is 1, this is 50. So this is the pin. You copy the number from this particular one to this, the 16 number for the pin, not this serial number, the one for the pin. Now I have 25, I have 1, I have 50. So I've redeemed 5 and 50 and 25. So this is 1. I will redeem it now in your eyes. You can see this. Copy. So when we copy, we go to Binance. You see this is Binance. We come to home. You see this head icon. So we click it. Then you come to gift card. This is another bonus one. We come to gift card. It's loading. Chill. I don't expect this video to be long. It should be under 10 minutes. You come to redeem. You click it. So redeem, you come to this first one, you click it. Remember I've copied the code from Moogold. Then you paste it, you just click paste, then you click redeem. You can see 1 USDT will be redeemed, and you come and click this redeem. Redeem successfully. So you see this card has been redeemed. So you go back to your crypto wallet. Kindly subscribe. You check your, what they call it, you check your balance. Okay, let me dismantle them and come to Binance and let's see. Now it's getting too long. So this is my Binance, just to confirm that it has been redeemed. You come to your wallet. Remember, I redeemed it to spot. Come to wallet. So we come to spot, and you can see that I have 76. Remember, what I redeemed was 25.50 and 176 USDT. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for updates like this. Like and share. Give nice comments in the comment box. The link in the description. You can get a link to my Binance, to a link to register Binance, and a link to my WhatsApp and Telegram group, so that you can just you can come in and get other updates. Thank you. God bless you.